tires are nice. Woo!
I don't know where we're going, but... Welcome back, guys, to Fortek 9. So we got another e-bike on the channel, so we're gonna go ahead, do a quick unboxing video of it, and then we're gonna take it out, test it out, do some off-roading, and see if we could do some hill climbs. So this is the Cycrown, and the bike is called Cycverve. So it goes 28 miles an hour. It is a pedal assist bike. So I have a link down below. You guys could go check it out on their website. This thing has pretty big tires, really awesome for off-roading. Comes with disc brakes. You got front and back disc brakes. It looks good in white. It's very clean. I like the fact that they hid the battery right here in the frame. Honestly, it just looks like a regular bike, which is pretty awesome. Display, really simple to use, really nice. Instead of having a typical, twist throttle right here, this does have a thumb throttle. It does take a little bit of time to get used to it, but the nice thing is the handlebars are a lot smaller now, so they feel really good. So you got your on button, plus and minus for the pedal assist, and then you also get a light button right here. And a little horn. I mean, look how big the tires are compared to like the way I'm standing. These tires are pretty big. Especially feels good. Dude, that's fun, dude. These big tires are nice. Woo!
Easy there.
Yeah. Dude, I'm sure if you get the hang of it. You wanna try it?
I'm scared.
You do have to get used to the fact that, you gotta press down instead of the throttle.
Yeah.
But, no, really fun bike. And the fact that these big tires makes jumping over the logs really easy. Just going over trails and stuff. Dude, that thing zooms. How's it feel? Pretty smooth.
Pretty good. These handlebars feel like a...
That's what I mean. The handlebars are really comfortable on it.
Yeah, feel like a mountain bike almost.
Yeah.
Nice design. Good bike. Cool bike to go for a cruise down these trails.
Camping, this bike would be really sick.
Oh yeah.
We do a lot of camping, and most of the stuff is like this, just trees and off-road. So this would be a perfect bike. Chilling. Let's go farther down the road, see what else we can find. Yeah. So the first thing I've noticed about this bike compared to the other bikes I've reviewed, the other bikes, just the throttle, it goes 20 miles an hour. And then to get that full 28 miles an hour, you got to pedal. With this bike, just the motor alone, you could get it up to 28 miles an hour, which is pretty nice. You don't have to do any kind of pedaling. Yeah, this thing is pretty quick. Ooh, you want to do a little hill climb?
I don't know. Think we'll make it back up?
I don't know how far down it goes. I think this one's just rocks, is it? Let's go this trail. Okay, here, you want to go first and I'll follow, or you want me to go?
No, you go first.
Okay. I don't know where we're going, but... Oh. First time going over here. How's it going, man? That's pretty cool. Ooh. Oh, that's a pretty cool spot. Yeah. Oh, shoot. Hey, this might be a pretty cool spot with our RC cars right here down there. Oh, woo! Dang! Oh, dang! Woo! Dude, no problem. Dude, this bike is fun, man. So right now, guys, no pedaling, just throttle and level 5. Yeah, this thing is a fun bike. It's a very just plain, simple, nice look. Yeah, like I mentioned, if you guys want, I have a link down below where you guys can check this bike out. But so far, guys, I'm really impressed with this bike. Like I said, it feels good in your hands. I think so. This might be where we wanted to go down. Yeah, it is that way. Okay, yeah, let's go up this hill. And now I'm actually liking the thumb throttle. It feels good. We're gonna go throttle only. Like, I'm not even pedaling in. It's a pretty steep hill. Yeah, these bikes, I'm enjoying this. This is way better than pedaling. Yeah, this is a great bike who wants to go, you know, just go exploring through the woods, nature, camping, stuff like that. With the fat tires, it's really smooth, really easy to drive. And you know, you don't get tired as fast. So you could just use the throttle, or you could do just pedal assist, and this thing will go, you know, pretty far. Go visit Cycrown, go check out their website. They got a couple other bikes. Thanks guys for watching, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time.